What advice would experienced owners give someone opening their first pop-up drink stand? The best advice is to keep your menu small, know your true costs before you price anything, and treat your first month as a test, not a launch. Here's the thing most new owners get wrong. They think a pop-up drink stand succeeds because of the drink, but it actually succeeds because of speed and location. If it takes you more than 90 seconds to make one drink, you will lose customers in line before they ever taste what you made. Experienced owners will tell you to pick 2 or 3 drinks max for your first few weekends, because every extra ingredient you carry is money sitting in a cooler that might spoil. One trick most beginners never hear about is called shadow pricing, where you write down every single cost, even the tiny ones like napkins, ice, and gas for driving to the spot, and then double that number before you set your price. Most people only account for the ingredients and forget everything else eating their profit. Location also matters more than flavor, so scouting foot traffic at different times of day before committing to a spot can save you from a slow weekend. Building relationships with local event organizers early on can get you invited to festivals and markets before your competitors even hear about them. One common mistake is overbuying supplies because it feels safer to have extra, but that cash sitting in unused syrup or cups could have gone toward marketing or a better cooler. A simple fix is to buy just enough for one weekend and adjust the following week based on what actually sold. Another mistake is ignoring local permit rules, since many cities require a temporary food permit even for something as simple as lemonade, and getting caught without one can shut you down for the day. Always call your local health department first before your first event. Lastly, new owners often underestimate how much shade and hydration they personally need, since standing in the heat for 6 or 7 hours drains you fast and hurts your customer service. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.